Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Friday Night Gab. Camille is right here. I am just moved. There is my china cabinet right here. I'm usually on the other side of it. I sat here because I wanted to show you something that I got from QVC. I was on QVC shopping. You all know I got the Luminara candles. I showed you in my Mass Monday. Here's Camille. She went to the vet yesterday and she's doing really well. She weighs 2.5 pounds and she does still have the conjunctivitis in her eyes and she sneezes once in a while. So they did give more medicine with it. I don't know about this lighting. Oh, I sort of look gray. But anyway, I wanted to show you this I had gotten from QVC. It was on sale. And this is by Valerie Parr Hill, if you know her at all. This is just beautiful, and it is very similar to my green wall, but it's going to go elsewhere in my house. But you can put it on, you can put it off, and you can turn it on a timer. It has a 6-hour timer. So I just thought it was very beautiful. It is porcelain, and it got to me all in one piece, although I am seeing just now, I see a little tiny chip in the corner. And I don't necessarily think that might have been in me unpacking it. But it was on sale, so I'm okay with that. But it's nice and big, it's pretty. It's, there you put in 2 C batteries. So I just wanted to share it with you. I thought it was very beautiful. And I wanted to talk to you about a few things. I don't know if I like this lighting. Let me see. Well, I'm not saying I'm gonna stay here all the time. This is just to show you this color, because you might not be able to see it against the green wall. My kitchen is 2 walls are that green that you see, and then 2 walls, well, that's where the doors and all, are yellow. So I saw that when I bought this house was white. Everything in this house was white, and I wanted to color every room, and I went to the hardware store, and they had all kinds of little things to pick from, and it was a little French detail that they showed, like a French Provence kind of kitchen, and I'm like, I like that. So country French kind of Provence kind of whatever it was called. Anyway, so that's what I did. So yeah, white and yellow are not my color. So and it's really hot here. We have I forgot, excessive heat warning. So even though it's, I feel the air conditioning in my house, I'm still, you can see I'm melting a little bit. So please forgive me for the way I look and everything. A few things to talk to y'all about. I was going to talk to you about Cami, but she already came up. So, I had a few things this week that were lots of fun. My Walmart box, Walmart really stepped it up this quarter. I think it's because of the trouble that they had, the trouble that they caused a lot of people. So I'm going to stick with Walmart for now. We'll see how it goes. I hope that it still stays really good. Even though my box, I'm not necessarily going to use everything in my box, it still was a really good box, and I saw a lot of really wonderful boxes out there, so that was good. And Glossy Box, is not going to ship to Canada or the US after July 1st. Well, Canada has already been stopped, so the monthly box, they'll stop shipping, but they do have that sale still going on. Now, I don't know come July 1st, which is tomorrow, if they still will ship those items or if they've decided that's it. I don't know. But if you have a chance, you just can go in and get lots of great boxes. And I am not a member and I didn't pay any shipping. So hopefully that will be true for you. I heard somebody say they paid shipping, but I don't know if they, I don't know if they really looked at their billing or not, because I didn't have to pay shipping. And I got that Dollar General Days of Beauty box. Did y'all see that? If you haven't seen that, go see that. That was incredible. And I will next year tell you all about it when I know what's happening. I did not know a thing about it. This was their 8th year. It was the lovely Arlene from Unboxings with Arlene. I did in my video, I do a giveaway in there, and I thank Arlene for sharing that information with me and a lot of creators. She shared it with a lot of people. And I subsequently shared it with a few people as well. I didn't know how it was going to work. I thought we were entering a giveaway. But what it turned out to be was the first 5,000 people that signed up got the box. So and I didn't get any notification about getting the box. It just showed up on my doorstep. And they did say that you would get an email about receiving it, but I did not. So I hope that maybe there's still some out there. Maybe they're still shipping. I hope, because several of you have said that you signed up and didn't get it. So I'm hoping you're still going to get it. You know, they might have had to ship it in droves. You know, that would make sense because it was just a lot, 5,000 boxes. Plus they say on Instagram that they have more boxes and they will be doing giveaways. They start July 10. I think it's July 10. They have, they're going to have some things going on Instagram and maybe vlogging or whatever. I don't know much about vlogging, but they're going to have some of the experts, some of the companies that gave us these fabulous products. 18 full-size products I got in there, y'all, 18. They're going to talk to us and do videos and things like that. So they're going to do giveaways at that time. So go check them out on Instagram. If you have any trouble finding them, just ask me. I'll try to remember to put that link in the description, okay, for you to find them on Instagram. And it would just, so it's a once-a-year deal. And I'll try. I don't know if they'll notify me or what will happen. Maybe Arlene will notify me again next year. I don't know. But thank you so much, Arlene, because I'm so impressed. I won't necessarily use all of those products, but I will definitely share. They're big, they're heavy. Anything that can go into a future giveaway will, but I also have friends and family that I will share with as well. But I wanted y'all to know about that and know for the future as well. So, and also, I received an email from Stitch Fix offering me the pass, the Stitch Fix pass. I forgot exactly what it's called, but it's $49 for the year, and it's 365 days. It doesn't start January to December. It starts when you sign up for it. So you pay the $49, and then on your next order, if whatever you keep, if you keep up to $49 worth, you get that, you get the money right back. So it really ends up being free. But then you don't have to pay your $20 styling fee every time you get a box. So I thought that's definitely well worth it. I've seen many channels do that. Many people tell me, I'm sorry, but if the camera's shaking, because little girl is causing trouble over there. I love her, y'all. I think about her when I'm not at home. Same with my boys. I've always been that way about my pets. Anyway, I love her. So she looks like she might be sleeping now. She's trying to rest and sleep. We'll see what happens. So it ends up being free. So instead of getting Stitch Fix every quarter, which is what I was going to do every 3 months, I'm going to try to do it more often because if I can't afford the stuff, it's going back. You know, that's it. I don't need a lot of clothes, so, but I think it's going to be fun. I think it's fun to do the videos, and you all seem to enjoy it, and I really think it's fun. Okay. I know I had a bunch of stuff. I have a list. I always have a list going, okay? So, and I also, I had a lot of good videos this week. I think the LA SMV bags and stuff. And I am going to do a giveaway with some of those bags in the future. Right now I've got a bunch of giveaways going on. That's what I was going to, I won a giveaway from Wendy Jean. And if you want to be a part, I'm doing a giveaway. So go see that video. You have to be subscribed to Wendy Jean and me. And also with the Dollar General box, you have to be subscribed to Arlene and me for a giveaway. And I have my treasure trove always going on. And I've sort of stepped that up a little bit with what items that I'm putting in there, a little bit more than I have been in the past. And I wanted to say to y'all, I don't want to preach. I hope y'all don't think I'm preaching. I'm just trying to be helpful. Oh, first of all, before we go there, on one of my videos, forget which one it was, scammers, I will never ask you to contact me about winning. I will make a video. When I announce my winners, I always make a video, always, always, always. So look for a video. It will say in the title, winner. So you won't have to worry about contacting me here, there, or calling this number or whatever. Those are scams. Yes, it looks like a picture of me. It's my picture from my YouTube. They steal it. And then they write, 800 number, whatever. Scammer, scammer, scammer. Do not pay attention to those. If you have any questions, a couple of y'all did contact me. That's the way to do it. Contact me. and I'll let you know that no, that wasn't the winning. If I'm doing a video on this, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm not announcing the winner on that giveaway because I usually do, do a giveaway for a week or 2 weeks or something. So, I also have my Mask Monday giveaway going on with Tea Time Adventures and Kim, what'd you name your channel? Hanging Out with Kim. So go see those ladies as well. Anybody I mentioned will be in the description for you to find them. Lots and lots of giveaways. So go find them. There may be a secret one here and there too. I like to do those hidden treasures. So there may be. So what I really, the thing I want to talk to y'all about, we all have bad moments in our lives. We all do. I have had a very trying couple of weeks. I have had a lot of sadness in my life recently. And little girl is bathing herself and shaking the whole table. Camille, she won't listen to me. I don't necessarily tell y'all things like that. I mean, I told you when my dog Buddy passed away. I told you when Honeybee passed away. Other things in my life I don't necessarily share because this is my happy place. I'll take that from Kim. This is my happy place. This is where I like to show you things that are, I like to get bargains and share them with you. I like to tell you what I've learned about makeup and skincare. I like to do giveaways because I like to share my things with y'all because y'all mean the world to me. You really do. I live in a state without any family here, and I go to work, I go to church, and I'm at home. And I have some good neighbors, and I have some good friends, very dear friends, but I really think of y'all as very dear people to me as well. And if you're new to my channel, I'll just get to know you, that's all. I love my subscribers very, very much, and you mean the world to me. And I never want to bring you down. I know sometimes I might bring you down, but I don't mean to. I try to keep this upbeat. I try to remind you all to count your blessings, to use your good stuff, because it's important. I had a death in my life recently of a young man that when he was in high school worked with me, and just a sweetheart, and he just dropped dead. It was on Father's Day. His children, he had been separated from his wife. Children came to visit him, little babies, little kids, and he was dead. So that's why I tell you to use your good stuff. That's why I tell you to count your blessings, because every day is a gift. Every day is a gift. And having a positive attitude helps you get through each day. Life can be very difficult and very upsetting and bring us down, and taking it out on each other is not a good thing. It hurts you. If you hold a grudge and hate, it hurts you more than it hurts anybody. It really does. It hurts your insides. It hurts your health. And let's just try to be good to each other. Let's love each other, be good to each other. Let's not talk each other down, bring each other down. We do need to share. We do need to share a lot sometimes when things are bad. So find you a good person to do that with, a good couple people to do that with. If you can, try not to be negative on your channels. And I don't mean, you pick up a product and, oh, this is a really horrible lipstick. That's one thing. But I'm not going to go there. Let's try to be good to each other. Let's try to support each other. And if something negative happens, try to find out what's going on first before we attack. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Let's be good to each other. That's even true. That's true everywhere. In life, somebody doesn't do their job. Try to find out what's going on with them. We all have negativity in our lives, all of us. Even when we're bright and sunny and cheery, some of us are crying on the inside. Some of us really are. And, I know people that share on Facebook every day happy stuff, and they're really just really terribly depressed. So they may need an extra hug or something. why try to hurt someone and bring them down? Anyway, I'll give you some beautiful loving right here. This is the beautiful Camille, who's growing very big and aggravating the boys more than I can tell you. She aggravates them all the time, but you know, they've been trying to stick up for themselves. Not always the best, but she's a love, and she doesn't like to be held. As you can see, she does not like to be held. Look at her cute little feet. Whoops, showing her butt. Don't show your butt. Don't show your butt. Okay. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna be done. Like I said, I'm not trying to preach. I know it sounds like I am. So maybe I'm trying to preach. I'm just, no, for my own health. I had to change my whole attitude about life. I really did. So I try not to be negative. I try not to be ugly. I try not to say ugly things. I try not to curse. I try not to get horribly mad like I used to scream and yell when I was driving all the time. And the people don't hear you. They don't hear you. So all it's doing is hurting you. You're like this, you know, all it's doing is hurting me. So I changed myself, and I don't do that anymore. Not to say that I don't think, you know, but honestly, if someone's driving like a fool, I say a little prayer for them. Keep them safe, dear Lord. Let them calm down a little bit so they don't run somebody over. Whew. Anyway, that's enough of that, y'all. And I'm going to get off of here. And y'all take care. Have a wonderful weekend. Oh, by the way, I'll be doing videos on the weekend. It's 4th of July weekend. I'm off for 4 days. I'm so excited. I'm off for 4 days. So anyway, got my second shingles shot. Was really, really sick from the first one. So wish me well, y'all, because when I get the shot on Friday, which I have, it doesn't bother me. It was the next day that I was sick. I was like I had the flu. So I'm hoping and praying that doesn't happen to me. I've read so many things. It will affect you worse. It won't affect you worse. So I won't know until it happens to me. So please wish me well, because I have filming to do this weekend. And y'all take care. Count your blessings. Love y'all, and happy 4th of July. These are the candles that I showed you Monday in my Mask Monday. See how that flame is so pretty? Look at what it does to the wall. It looks like a real candle. I love it.